My name is Usalora. Today I want to take you on a journey through the three most exciting days in Cambodia Khmer New Year. Day 1 is called Maha Songkran. This is the day we welcome a new angel to watch over the world. My family cleaned the whole house until it sparkled. We set a table with candles, flowers, and yummy fruit to say welcome to Angel. It feels like fresh, happy start. Day 2 is called Virya Wanabot. This is the day for giving. We go to pagoda to offer food to the monk. We also give special gifts to our grandparents and people in need. It reminds us to be kind and think of others first. Day 3 is called Virya Langsa. This is the biggest celebration. We wash statue of Buddha and our parents with sweet-smelling water. This is our way of saying thank you and I love you. After that, we play games and splash water to celebrate. Khmer New Year is about family, kindness, and lots of joy. So, Happy New Year, everyone. Bye bye.